How to send email attachment to WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send your email attachment to WhatsApp. Now to do so, first open up your Gmail or email on your Android or iOS device. I'll just open it up quickly here, and then at the top you can see the attachment right here. I've received one here and it's a sample PDF. Now first, what you want to do is tap on the attachment and open it up. You can open it with your Drive, PDF viewer, or OneDrive. If you don't have this app on your device, you can just install it from the App Store and then open it. And once you open it, you can see the attachment has been opened. It's a simple PDF file 1 and 2. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll find the option to send file. Simply tap on send file, and here you'll be able to see the WhatsApp option right here. Tap on WhatsApp and select the contact that you want to send to, and then you can select multiple contacts if you want, and then tap on the share option or send option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you select it, just send it, and you can see the PDF or the attachment has been sent to my WhatsApp contact. So this way you can send email attachment to WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.